Norman Regional Health System is committed to providing the highest quality in care and compassionate services to the hundreds of thousands of patients we serve each and every year. We are grateful to our qualified medical professionals and our caring support staff who serve our patients and their families. In addition to our paid professionals, we have many volunteers who serve in over 50 areas, and they make an incredible impact on the care we provide. From providing assistance at our information desk, to providing encouraging words during a patient visit, to greeting guests at our Doris Letcher Hospitality House. They save our health system over $600,000 by providing over 50,000 hours of service each year. Through staffing one of our retail operations, such as our gift shops, our coffee shops, our scrub shop, or our thrift shop, volunteers help raise money through grants that contribute to important services and equipment. The Norman Regional Health System volunteers have helped fund some very important projects, such as our valet services. They have purchased equipment for our diabetic limb salvage program. They have also funded an outdoor therapy course for our rehabilitation patients. As you can see, our volunteers make a world of difference each and every day.
I wanted to connect with people, and I also wanted a way to give back to the community in a way that would help other people. So with a background in nursing, I thought, well, the hospital would be the perfect place. So I signed up, thinking I'm going to do this for about a year. Well, 20 years later, I'm still volunteering every week. So that says I still love it. Now I volunteer in the oncology area. It's patients and their families battling cancer. I visit them, I listen to them, I hug them, I laugh with them, I cry with them, and I say a special prayer for them. And it's my small way of giving back. But wow, what a blessing.
I know that when families check into the hospitality house, they're under some level of stress. As a volunteer, my goal is to be a soothing presence for them, a listening ear if they need to talk, or to help them in any way that I can.
One of our jobs as volunteers is that we greet the families, we check them in, we give them a tour of the facilities, we help with the laundry, but I think the biggest thing is that we are a listening ear for them when they need it.
I hope that I can soothe their way and alleviate a little bit of the stress they're feeling.
The hospitality house was financed entirely by the volunteers, and it's a beautiful, restful, relaxing place for families to stay while their loved ones are receiving quality care at Norman Regional.
Norman Regional Health System has been a part of my life for so many years I can barely count them. Years and years ago, I started walking into the hospital with flowers on Wednesday because our church delivered patient flowers. And then I was asked to be on the hospital board. I retired 3 years ago, and I like to say I traded in my paycheck for a blue jacket. And it has been wonderful ever since. And one of the areas that I volunteer in is surgery waiting. And I check on the families, and I can bring them coffee or ice water. We like to offer them a pillow or a fresh blanket out of the blanket warmer. And those are the things that are just so kind to do as a volunteer. We have an opportunity to do things that a staff member doesn't have time to do. And our hospital is known for kindness. And to be a part of that and to feel like you made a difference every time you're here is why I come every single Monday, because it makes a difference in my life. And when I walk out, I feel good inside.
The gift shop and other retail operations of the health system are fun places to volunteer. I enjoy all the different people that come in. It might be someone looking for a special gift, or employees taking a break in their workday, or just someone who's biding their time while the loved one's in surgery. Everyone that comes through the door has their own story, and I'd like to be a bright spot in that story if I can. Also, we have lots of neat merchandise that's fun to sell. And best of all, we know that all the proceeds are going to make the health system better than ever.
One of the things that I know about the hospital is it can be a very confusing place, especially for a first-time visitor. As a volunteer at the information desk, I want to take the confusion out of the hospital experience. I like taking people up to the rooms. I like helping them find who or what it is they're looking for. They're not necessarily having a great day. What we want to do is make them feel comfortable and a little bit better about being here.
These are just a few of the amazing people who give up their time each and every week. In small and big ways, they improve the quality of care we provide to our patients and their friends and families. A volunteer at Norman Regional Health System comes from all backgrounds and walks of life. A volunteer could be a stay-at-home mom, a retired grandfather, a young person, or a professional with a flexible schedule. And our next volunteer could be you.